I have Mr. Jitendra Sharma, Group President HR for Wilmar Pritu Garshugar with me today. With your extensive experience in HR in the manufacturing domain, I think my first question to you would be, how is digital disruption, digital transformation impacting HR in the manufacturing industry?
Yeah, so as the question is really great, right? When we're talking about the manufacturing industry and we as a Wilmar, right? We are global leader in agribusiness and we have different projects and lots of manufacturing factory in the country as well as global. So we are presently in India around 12 manufacturing plants which are in Karnataka, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Gujarat, and we also have in UP, right? So the HR, we talk about the digital transformation is a prime focus for us. And we started the digital transformation when the COVID hit us, right? And the lots of changes which we done through the digital transformation from the talent management to the complete life cycle of HR, as well as the different other domains of the functions like the organizational development, the learning academy, and the other things, right? And now we reach that level where we are talking about the paperless HR, right? So everything is automated through the AI, through the machine learning. We are also using the lots of chatbot and through systems, and the people are transacting through the system and then talking through that.
Wonderful. It's indeed quite insightful to hear about how digital is transforming HR in the space of manufacturing. Digital also is quite a shift and requires whole amount of change management. Now, what would be your insights on how do you prepare an organization ahead of such massive changes that come in?
Right, as I mentioned that in your earlier question, right? We are basically in the growth stage in India, right? And then we are acquiring few businesses. So there's a lots of culture transformation is happening. So the culture shift, when we are acquiring the company, they come with the different culture, and we need to be basically adopt them and see that how the culture transformation is happening through technology. So that's a major thing. And we also regularly discussing with the people regarding the culture and talking about that, how the culture is going to be taking the front seat, and then how they are basically adopting the technology, because they come from the different background, they come from the different ideology altogether, because we as a multinational organization, we need to adopt them and then take it forward. So the culture transformation is basically the very important area where our size of the organization need to work and then take it forward.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So while we are talking of technology, it would be lovely to hear your thoughts with experience. Which are the HR technologies that have transformed your HR practices in the organization?
Right. So as we mentioned that we as a HR is working as a paperless HR, right? So through the joining of the person, right, everything is automated first. Secondly, the learning management. There's also online learning management tools which we have. We are providing the lots of webinar through that. The people are basically working through it. We also have a train-to-trainer programs and the other program which is we are inbuilding the trainer in the system, right? And then technologies plays a major role over here. And when we talk about that, the technology which is taking a front sheet over here is that how we are going to be mixing all the software which we are working. So we are also in SAP, we are also having a cloud-based systems, and we also have a system for the temp. So we have all three categories which we are working with the three systems, and then developing the lots of working sheets, policies, processes for them, and also designing the SOPs and the delegation of authority, the other tools for them.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
With such vast and rich experience, I am tempted to ask, what's your feedback for the event experience so far?
See, it's a great, right? It's a wonderful organizing committee, right? And I interacted with them as well. And then very old organization as the American Management Association. And this is a wonderful event. They are doing a great job. And I met with the partners also. They are also working closely with that. So it is really a good event. And I think doing the great job.
And what would you like to say for those who missed this event?
I think whenever it has happened again, they should again join and then get the learning out of it.
You heard that from Jitendra himself. Thank you so much for your response.
Thank you. Pleasure. Thank you.